This video is sponsored by Hanko Trade. Hanko Trade is a Forex brokerage that allows you to trade Forex, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and indices with 500 leverage. Their withdrawal times are very fast, up to 24 hours from the time that you request it. And one of my favorite features about Hanko Trade is the fact that you can trade micro lots on indices and you don't have to worry about it blowing your account, unlike other brokerages where a micro lot is like trading a standard lot on Forex. You can also deposit and withdraw in several different types of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and so on. They also include up to 100% of an equity bonus, meaning if you deposit $100, they can give you up to an extra $100 worth of equity to help you trade. To get started, visit hankotrade.com or use the link down below this video.